सीबीआई जांच कितने देर तक आएंगे? तो जब तक सारे एविडेंस खत्म हो जाएंगे उसके बाद।
The police continue their investigation of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, but in a new development, the lawyer of politician Subramanian Swamy has asked the police commissioner of Mumbai for the forensic examination of all electronic evidence of all people connected to Sushant Singh Rajput's case.
और आप पुलिस में विश्वास रखिए, जो सच है वो सबके सामने पुलिस लाएगी।
An advocate on behalf of politician Subramanian Swamy has asked the Mumbai Police Commissioner for a forensic examination of all the electronic evidence related to Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. Now, there have been a lot of celebrities and known figures in and outside Bollywood who have also been asking for a CBI inquiry into the case. In the meanwhile, Sushant's sister has taken to social media to post a message for his fans asking them to have faith in God and justice. Here's the story.
मैंने एक मुहिम शुरू की है जिसका नाम है जस्टिस फॉर सुशांत फोरम।
सुशांत के गुजरने के बाद public figures like Shekhar Suman, Rupa Ganguly and the late actor's fans have been asking for a CBI inquiry into the case, and several conspiracy theories and rumors have been doing the rounds on social media about the tragic circumstances in which he passed away.
राजपूत की वो भी ये संदेह दूर होना चाहिए, सदा नहीं होनी चाहिए संदेह। तो मैं ये समझता हूँ कि सबको तय हो जाना चाहिए, जांच होनी चाहिए और सीबीआई की होनी चाहिए।
कुछ दिन पहले पॉलिटिशियन सुब्रमण्यन स्वामी ने एक लॉयर को अपॉइंट किया है who will reportedly process all the documents required for a possible CBI investigation into the case. Now, the lawyer appointed by Mr. Swamy has shared an update on social media where he writes, I have written a letter to Police Commissioner of Mumbai to preserve and do thorough forensic examination of all electronic evidence, phone, computer, etc. of all people connected to Sushant Singh Rajput's case.
हम सबकी एक यही मांग है कि जो हुआ है और जो दिखाई दे रहा है, जो आंखों को दिखाई दे रहा है, उससे कहीं कुछ ज्यादा प्रतीत होता है।
Shekhar Suman, who had earlier visited Sushant's family in Patna, has been asking for a CBI inquiry into the case. The actor thanked Mr. Swamy for his initiative and wrote in a social media post, "Thank you so much Subramanian Swamy for asking Ishkaran to look into Sushant's death case and determine whether it is a fit case for CBI investigation. We all will be really indebted to you if you make this possible." लेकिन जहां एक तरफ लोग इस केस को फाउल प्ले के एलिगेशन से कॉम्प्लिकेट कर रहे हैं, वहीं सुशांत सिस्टर हैज थैंक्ड सुशांत's fans for their love and expressed her gratitude in a social media post where she says कि people should have faith in God and justice. Shweta wrote, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for the kind of love and support you guys have shown. I can't thank you guys enough for giving our family strength and caring for us during these difficult times. Let's have faith on God and His justice. Keep praying. Sushant's family has not commented so far on demands for a CBI inquiry and not responded to other conspiracy theories surrounding the actor's demise. हम भी यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि पुलिस को अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने दी जाएगी without any politicization of the case.